Jordan.
Without moving your eyes, without moving your eyes.
Sunny.
Nag-bend siya.
Ayoko sabihin produkto namin ha. Ayoko sabihin.
Okay, Sunny. Oh, Rhea, may tanong ako kay Sunny.
Yan, Sunny, paano mo daw na-discover yung talento mo na pwede ka magbali ng mga tinidor at kung ano-ano?
Well, of course, sa training lang, no? In training sa pagka-mentalism, no? When I started becoming mentalist. Sa training, lahat mapapasukan mo, no? You will try everything.
Magastos bang ganitong hobby?
Sa tinidor at saka, sa
Pwede
Pare,
mabalik.
suki sila ng mga department store. Bumibili sila by the dozen. Ang misis mo daw ba galit na sa'yo dahil lagi kayo wala pa there? Tapos nakamay daw
Medyo.
kayo.
Hindi, nakampisa lang naman eh. Pero ngayon,
Wala na
plastic
kayong
na ginagamit namin. Kaya
Okay. Ito naman, tiyak na ayaw makaharap ng mga sinungaling, manloloko sa lawahan at mga kawatan. Magkikita-kita sa Lunis yan.
Sona!
Ang ating, pinagkaisa-isa nyo eh. Ating mind reader tulad ni Jay Mata kasama ang volunteer niyang si Pia. Jay!
May patalim ba to? May patalim ba to?
Jay, buntis to ha.
Just so you know,
Ba't
FYI.
in-announce mo na ba?
Hindi pa in-announce.
Ay, hindi ba mamaya?
Ni-reveal mo na?
I'm sorry. Hindi.
Okay, wait lang ha. Okay.
Sige na, sige
Ready
na.
ka ba, Pia?
Ready na.
Kaya
May mic wala si
Sir J.
Papakatuso ko.
Okay. Concentrate, uy.
So like I said, okay, relax. Okay, and you have to want to have this done, okay? Okay, you want to do it, okay, you want this to happen. Alright, are we starting already?
Hihiga siya.
May table.
Unfortunately, this is not as visual as everything. It's very simple, very subtle, very much, some light fun for now.
Nararamdaman ko talaga to.
Before then, I'd like to ask a few serious questions, okay? Is there anything that you wish you believed in, but you don't? Like something that's uncertain, something
Unicorn.
a part about your life that you feel very uncertain of. You want to believe it, but you don't.
Like mga creatures, ganyan. Parang mga fairies, ganyan, fairies.
Exist and the like, okay? So, let's do a little mental exercise. Okay? I want you to get that image of those fairies and those little things. Okay? You don't have to close your eyes. Just look at me. Just pay attention to me. Okay, I want you to visualize everything over here. All those things, those fairies, all those creatures that you wish you believed in but don't. It's hazy, isn't it? It's very blurry because you can't, you know, there's a part of you that doesn't believe it, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's keep that image of that blurry image there. Okay. Now I want you to, mind if I ask you what city you live in?
Quezon City?
Okay, Quezon City. Okay, now that question you're very sure of, right?
Yes.
Unlike this blurry image, this image here, when I ask you that question, is very certain. You're very clear because there's no question about it that you live in Quezon City, right? So what's the difference between this and this? Like this one, okay, if I don't know, okay, this thing over here, it's very unclear, right? It's very unclear. But if we go over here, you're very certain it's very clear visual image, right? Now, so let's get that image of fairies and other monsters, okay? So imagine that over there, and let's lock it in here. Now, does those images seem clearer? Just by moving to that side, that feeling of clear? It's much clearer, right?
Yeah.
See, so that whole process that just took 10 seconds is basically what all these self-help seminars do. They make you seem clear just with a simple change of mindset. And all those can do miraculous changes just by having that certainty. Okay, so now let's go to a little experiment regarding that same process, okay? Something like that. Okay, I have here 4 blocks. Okay. Can you just tell everyone what colors these are?
Blue, green, red, yellow.
Okay, so you did what everybody else did, okay? Which was you named the colors. But
Yes.
I'm sure you know, as we all do, that's not really blue. I mean, this is just, blue is just what we call the scientific process of sunlight hitting the color, some of it being absorbed, some of them going to our eyes, synapses going to your brain. That brain tells you that whole process is called blue. But it's not really blue. It's just what we humans perceive as blue.
Okay.
In fact, who really say some blue? Some people, there's an eye image that says that's not really blue. Some people are colorblind, don't see it, right? So actually, if you think about it, it's not really blue, right? There's some splotches of other colors. Can you see other colors other than blue? You can, right? Especially how the paint goes to the wood. Can you see other colors?
Yes.
You can, right?
Oh,
Okay,
ngayon.
but it's not sure, right? You're not sure. It's something, right? A little bit. Okay. Let's go somewhere here. It looks red, but it's not really red, right? There's some, the right reflections change. Do you see a little bit of orange? There's some orange in there? You can see.
Yes.
Yeah,
Pag
okay.
sinabi mo parang, naging orange.
Yeah, all right. So, we go here, and again, it's yellow. It's a warm color, right? And it seems kind of orangey, actually, if you really think about it. You know, it seems orangey, right? Right? Okay.
Sagot ka na, dali.
Do you... Yeah, okay.
Wala na tayong oras.
Okay. All right. Okay, but look at it. If you really, really look at it, you can see some red in it, right?
Yes.
You can see some red. In fact, if you really lock it in, you can really see a color red, right? Can you definitely say it's a color red?
Yes.
Okay, so let me again one more time. What color is this?
Green.
What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Red.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow, you sure?
Yes.
Sure, again, look carefully. Is it color red yellow? Remember?
Yes.
It's kind of yellow?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You don't see a little bit of red there, somewhat?
Parang may stripes na red.
Stripes, yun.
Oh.
Okay, can you see the stripes? No. No? It's just, you're sure, can you see the stripes of red?
Yes.
Okay na, okay.
Okay. So you're the only one who can see this, right? Okay. So you're beginning to see some things that were not here. But now
Yes.
let's actually now do something a little bit more, okay?
Ay,
now I
teka,
have here.
okay. Teka. Mamaya, ano natin yung mind reading na yan, ha? Okay, dahil natetense na kami dahil Itbulaga na.
Ito na.
Teka, ano sunod natin? Next, ano sunod?
Continue. Ito na, biggest challenge natin, syempre si Igan, paaangatin ni Kel Fab.
Kel, sige.
Ng pinagsama-samang mind powers. Mamaya,
mamaya,
papakita
pagbalik.
namin sa inyo ang pag-angat ni Igan.
Ako ba? Okay.
Nolly Magani, happy birthday!
Sa aming sponsors, Ultra Mega Supermarket, Sir George Salon, Hanabishi Appliances,